Sarat, let's start with Nvidia, okay? You trimmed it.
It did.
Back in February. And I'm sorry for you, because it's up 30% since you did that.
I actually, yes, I'm sorry, but I'm not, because you've got to take profits when stocks like this do really, really well. Now it's doubled, for the year. On a valuation basis, you're buying this because of AI. You're buying this for the future. But, we've talked about this in the past. Make sure your position sizes are okay, because this stock could move 20% after hours. And if it's too much of your portfolio, like any one stock is, just make sure that you know why you're owning it. We have owned it for a long time. We took some profits. We still own it. And if it pulls back, I'll buy more.
Yeah, Jim Breyer was on the network from the CEO Summit, Joe, a little while ago. He used a golf analogy to talk about the hype around AI, said we're just on the second hole, and that's in terms of how much AI has to grow. He likened it to the internet circa 95. He's super bullish on Nvidia, as he said, which you own in the T.
So I think today what's going to happen is the 2023 stock market MVP. You're going to understand from Jensen Huang and management if we're able to validate in the form of some evidence these excitement surrounding AI. It's not so much in the earnings that are going to be reported today, but I think it's more about the guidance. We already know that there's been a slowdown in cloud spending that's going to impact the data center. That comes obviously through Amazon and Microsoft. So you'll see that slow down.
Maybe.
Ultimately, but it really is about the energy and excitement that surrounds this name. And this is the name. This is the name, as I said before, I'll call it the MVP. It's 15% below its all-time high. I think it's getting there. Is it getting there today? I have no idea. Is it going to pull back? Listen, you're guessing on estimates. I think it's built up enough positive momentum that the stock will be okay, even on a decline. But I think this is bigger than Nvidia. This is really about the thesis of AI, and is it ultimately going to confirm this excitement?
What about this Weiss of what Breyer said? We're on the second hole. You play golf. Not well, but you do play. So at least you understand the analogy. He could have said we're in the woods, we're way in the trees, crash the cart. But seriously, this moment that we're in to attempt to justify valuations, and for that matter, if you want to try and justify Nvidia's, which, he was raving about.
Yeah, so first of all, thanks for caddying for me all those rounds.
You're welcome.
Look, I think the hype is justified, but at what price? So Nvidia, despite it being well off its high, or off its high, I don't know if it's well off its high, its PE is at an all-time high. So I had some misses along the way over the last couple of years. So what do you pay for it? To Sarat's point, it's very prudent to take profits, because while you are in the early innings, or early holds, I think it'll continue to go. But there are going to be bumps along the way. What I like about Nvidia is that they're basically agnostic as to who the winner is. So for all these companies to come out and say, we're AI, Nvidia doesn't really care, right? Because they're doing it. So you want to be the tools in something like this. You don't want to be the one trying to get your AI application.
Well, that's why the pure players, Kari, are the ones that have really run the most in terms of year to date, whether it is Nvidia, which is more than a double, it's 107%. It's Microsoft is 31, Alphabet 37. You put Amazon in there at 39, Meta's 105. These are percentage gains just on the year. Apple, which I had a portfolio manager yesterday on the closing bell suggest that Apple was the top 2 way to play this whole AI boom. So those are the stocks in the conversation.
Yeah. Well, I would say that today, Nvidia, or later, Nvidia will be the poster child for mega cap tech and communications. I mean, everybody has their eyes on it because this is the group that has led the market. I mean, they account for 80% of the return on the S&P year to date, these 10 names. So they have to hold up their part of the bargain for the market to continue to love these stocks and pile into them as the names that will continue to move higher despite whatever is going on around them. And that's a heavy load for Nvidia to be lifting. I hope they can do it.
That's one of the key questions. You really highlight it with all that is riding on this to the market itself.
Yeah.
And you really think it's a significant level that's riding on it.